Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izzati Binti Aliashak. In this video, I will present the Latching Burglar Alarm with IoT project. There are three objectives for my project. First, to build a burglar alarm system equipped with a magnetic door sensor that will ensure the safety of the house. Second, to design a burglar alarm that can notify the house owner about their house safety when they are not at home. And last, to verify the latching burglar alarm design system that allow the user to keep alert about their house safety whether they are at home or not. The problem statement for my project is when the house owner leave their house for a long time, the risk of their house to be break-in is higher. The house owner also doesn't know about their house safety condition. This means if their house is being break-in during they are not at home, the house owner will be not alert about their house safety. I have done some literature review for my project. First, the history burglar alarm. The first electromagnetic burglar alarm was invented by the Unitary Pastor Augustus Russell Pope. When the door or window is open, the spring of the key come into contact with the wire, closing the circuit and causing the bell to ring. Second, the importance of the burglar alarm. Burglar alarm system can ensure the personal safety because when the thief break into the house, they are not likely to be concerned with the safety of anyone in the house. Having a burglar alarm system also can help owners sleep better and give owner peace of mind. Hardware circuit design. This is schematic diagram for my project. The schematic diagram was designed by using Proteus ICs. This project using Wemos D1 Mini. It is a ESP8266 and has a Wi-Fi functionality. The magnetic door sensor is present as a switch in the schematic diagram. This is because there is no package of the magnetic door sensor in ICs. For the PCB layout, I have designed it by using Proteus Arrays. Now, I will explain to you the flowchart of my project. This is the flowchart for my project. From the flowchart, the green LED will light up when the power supply is connected to the burglar alarm. When the alarm is turned on, the red LED will light up. If the door is open, the buzzer will produce a loud sound. After a few seconds, the user will get a notification from Blink application. Now I will show you the result of my project. For the breadboard development, I have constructed the circuit on the breadboard and test the circuit. For the prototype design, I have designed a front door of the house by using a cardboard. The latching burglar alarm will be installed from the inside of the house. Now, I will present the circuit operation for hardware. When the door is closed, only the green LED will turn on. While when the door is open, the buzzer and the red LED will turn on and the green LED will keep turned on. For IoT, Blink application is used for IoT in this project. When someone is trying to break into the house, the user will get a notification from Blink application. For environment and sustainability, Latching Burglar Alarm system only use a small amount of electrical energy. By applying a burglar alarm system in every house, the neighborhood environment will be more safe. This is because burglar alarm system can prevent a house breaking case from happening. For marketability, the latching burglar alarm can increase the market sales because there are still many houses that are not equipped with the burglar alarm system. And the latching burglar alarm system can be made with low cost and easy to construct. Lastly, I will show you the simulation video of my project. prototype of my project. For the prototype, I have designed the front door of the house. The burglar alarm will be installed from the inside of the house. This is the magnetic door sensor. The sensor will detect whether the door is open or closed. In this box, we have the circuit that has been constructed on the breadboard and also the Wemos D1. This box will be a control box for the burglar alarm. The green LED will light up when the power supply is connected to the burglar alarm. The green LED will be an indicator for the user to inform whether the alarm is connected with the power supply or not. From the Blink application, we can know the status of our door. Right now, as you can see, the door is closed. So the door status that state in the Blink application, door closed. When we open the door status on the Blink application will be changed to door open. On the Blink application, we also have a switch to control the burglar alarm whether we want to turn on or turn off the alarm. When we turn on the alarm, the red LED will light up. The red LED will be an indicator for the user whether the burglar alarm is on or off. When a burglar is trying to break into the house, the sensor will detect the door open and the alarm will be triggered. The user also will get a notification on the Blink application when the burglar alarm is triggered. This notification will make the user alert that your house is being broken in by a burglar.
Wow!